What's up, YouTube? I'm here on NQ. It is June 12th, and today was a pretty clean day, I would say. Coming into the day, my bias was overall neutral. On the 4-hour, we just inversed this massive 4-hour bearish gap over here. Right here, we barely inversed it on this 1 a.m. candle, and same thing with the 1-hour. The 1-hour barely got inversed, so my bias was bullish. I was targeting this high over here. But I started to think my bias was wrong right when New York opened. I thought maybe this was going to be a Judas swing right here, and I was going to enter in off this 1 minute bullish gap, or bearish gap rather. But we did get this news event right here, so that sent the market down, and I thought my bias was going to be wrong, and we were going to flip the bearish. But once price took out this 1-hour swing low, which was also a London low, we started to chop around a little bit, but then we started to get some bullish candles here and some nice momentum up. And this is where I started looking for longs, so I was waiting for this 2 minute right here to break. And we got the entry right here right at 9 a.m, so that's a good time to get entries. And I didn't set the break even on this play, even though we took out these two highs right here. I didn't set the break even because I knew price would be drawn towards these equal highs up here that we left during London session right here, these perfect 5-minute equal highs. It's also a double top, so I knew price would be drawn towards there, so I didn't set the break even. And this would have been the candle right here that stopped me out at break even, and it was just moving very slowly and it didn't have much momentum. And then right after we printed this candle, and I knew we would go back up. And I set my stop loss underneath this 9 a.m. candle because of how much momentum it had. I knew if price went underneath it that we would just get stopped out, so I set a hard stop right there. And I only held for this 15-minute unfilled bearish gap right here. That was my final TP for this trade because my account was very close to hitting the max loss limit because I took a terrible trade on Friday. I didn't even make a video about it because of how bad the trade was. But I'll still show the balance after this, and yeah, final TP ended up getting smacked. I still think we're gonna go for these equal highs, but I didn't want to hold. But yeah, this trade was pretty clean, I would say, and let me see how much that was. $331. And yeah, I shouldn't have even taken that trade from yesterday, so my balance should be higher than it is right now. But it's all good. At least I took a winning trade for today, and those 5-minute equal highs did end up getting hit. And it's a good thing I didn't leave a runner because I would have definitely got stopped out at break even. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.